Hello everyone, GHF here. Today, another parcel just arrived. This will be the July 2021 new release G-Shock. This will be the GBD-200 and another one is the GA-2200. Here is the listing price. And basically total price of 32,068 yen with a discount of 1,600. Basically 15 bucks discount from Buyee Japan. So here is the, I believe this will be the invoice. Okay, say, all right, there we go. There is the price for both items. And here's the box. Or since both of this is just a basics release, you could expect to see basics box. Here it is. Okay, G-Shock box. I'm not sure which one is which though, so let's just open it up. Let's see now. The box unboxing process is very easy. 3, 2, 1. Alright, this is the GBD-200 version, and as you guys can see, unlike my previous collection, mainly black and white, I decided to opt out this neon fluorescent green color options, which I gotta say looks pretty nice. Alright, here is it again up close. Look at all the details, all the colors, especially this glass wing structure really makes it pop. I'm not sure how that gonna affect the comfort. It might feel a bit slippery on your wrist after a while though, just a guess. Anyway, from what I could see, this watch basically is a GBD-100 model. Pretty sure they're just the same thing, just different body. In a way that it looked like the GBX-100. So they take this movement and put it in the popular, I believe this is the most popular G-Score right now. Basically here is the design. This is by the form. And because it didn't have this metal frame at the front, the price dropped a bit cheaper than usual. So that's nice, right? To about 22,000 Japanese yen. There you go. At retail of course, but mine, I bought it from Buyee Japan. This is also from a tax-free shop in Japan, by the way, so that's why the price is slightly cheaper than the listing price over here. And since I was using Buyee at the time, they have a coupon, so I get a bit more discount. Look at that, 1,672 yen discount, so that's pretty nice. Shout out to Buyee Japan for sponsoring this video. And just a quick rundown on the function, just in case you have no idea what this watch could do. You have the step tracker function, this is the auto LED function, this is the interval timer, this is the vibration function, auto LED light, super illuminator, reference number GBD-200-9JF. So far there are only 3 colors, but I'm sure more will be coming out later in the future. I'm guessing this will be popular, but nowhere near as popular as this guy for sure, because it didn't have that much function. Anyway, here is another part of the watch band. We have Bluetooth. This is distance and step tracking function built inside of it. Alright, not gonna go through too much details. Let's focus on the next watch, because I'll be talking about these things again in the review video. Right now guys, this is not a review video. Remember, this is merely an unboxing and me sharing you guys my thoughts, the thoughts that I have as I'm purchasing this watch, and the purpose and everything, also the price, and also the experience of using Buyee Japan as well. Okay, here is this. Wow, oh wow. Look at that, this looks really good. I didn't expect this watch to have such a matte, really nice matte finishing. So there's 4, perhaps 5, I can't recall, color for this GA-2200 model released at the same time, and I decided to get an all black options, which, oh my goodness, what have I done? Because I'm pretty sure everyone who wants to buy this watch mostly gonna be wearing this for fashion wear, so that's why I pick up black, aside from all the colorful options. This one is for sports, so that's why you need some color just to make sports much more interesting, because I mean there could be a tedious work for some people. You need some colors. For fashion wear, for daily wears, an all black watch will be just good enough. Okay, so here is the carbon core tag. So it is a carbon core guard structure, tough as metal, lightweight as resin, also cheap as resin. Incredible. It says it's GA-2000 though. Look at that. So they just recycle this from the GA-2000. I have a feeling this is Yeah, maybe this is another version of the GA-2000 but with a more rugged appearance. Moving on, 5674 module. Where's the price tag again? Here's this, 17,050 yen. It has one of 100-second there's that stopwatch, timer, wall time, alarm, and hand retraction function, similar as the GA-2200 model. So if you look on this page here from Buyee Japan, even though the price cost 17,000, I only paid 13,640 yen, so I saved 30 bucks. Again, I have the discount down here, I save a bit more than if I were to buy this thing locally, even if it's available. I mean, this watch aren't available locally, I have to buy from Japan. And if you're in the same situation as I am, where you need, if you want to get things quicker and if you don't want to wait, use Buyee Japan for that. They ship internationally, and yeah, you could get yours pretty quick at a much more affordable price. Press the light, does it work? Let's test the function. Alright, world time, top stopwatch, that's the timer, that's your alarm. What's this? Home timekeeping. Alright, everything works in my case. So far so good. The buttons on the side, yes, this reminds me of the GA-2000 with more texture, I guess. There's a strip of line at the center there. The watch band feels pretty much the same. It still has this quick release build. I like this calb here, just a quick spoiler. There we go. Not a lot of things going on over there, unlike the GBX-100. You know what, I'll talk all the details on a separate video, on the actual review video. Oh, where's my GBA-2100 though? I know I have it somewhere. Okay, here we go. There you are. That is how it looks like. Okay, pretty much the same watch but different design, I guess. Yeah, but it is, I don't know, the size looks pretty much the same, but because of the bezel is so big, unnecessarily big, it looks quite odd. I'm guessing people gonna need time to get used to this thing, but it feels good. I have a feeling this watch gonna feel secure on your wrist once you put this thing on. No doubt there'll be some issues. I could already feel some issues as I'm wearing this, which I'll cover in the review video. Not big deal though, but yeah, it's not perfect. It is not perfect. I mean, it is new. You know, you're gonna need some time to get used to all the looks of all this new G-Shock. Totally understandable. Anyway, I'm rambling too much right now. I'll cover all the details again like I already said in the review video. Shout out to Buyee Japan for sponsoring this video. Check the link down in the description box. Sign up, create an account, and start shopping for us right now. And remember, if you sign up using the link below, you'll earn an extra 1,000 yen discount on top of your order. So that's a plus.